Howdy to the Midnight team, it's Blockchain Oracle here. I bring to you Midnight OS. I call it Midnight Operating System. And this imagines how DAO Treasury is used with the Midnight MCP server. Midnight OS, what is the problem? If users wanted to use the MCP server, the Midnight tools, and the DAO contracts, they will have to work from documentations to GitHubs to tutorial videos, and even don't check out the workshop died just because they wanted to spin up an MCP servers. They want to connect to your Discord. And to the Midnight team, if you're saying this is a very sophisticated repo, and I've done a detailed guide and I've helped you alongside to put the ENV key. Yeah, this is bad practice, but to be able to test this correctly, because this is currently running on my servers too. But if you want to run it locally, I've provided you with some ENV keys on the README. You can simply spin this up locally, test it, and yeah, you see how efficient and easy for you to launch this bot, for you to interact with this DAO smart contract, for you to do it on Discord and Telegram without needing to go watch tutorials, without needing to go check documentations, just all you want to. There's a monetization plan for this in the nearest future. Now we stay on testing mode, but monetization is coming soon as this is a standard fully working app. And also my future roadmap for this is I wasn't able to do agent communication with this since AI is actually on the peak right now. Agent communication coming soon of Midnight OS. For those who want to run this locally, you can run it via Docker or the node. So if you want to run it via Docker, just run this through. It spin up everything. But in this video, we're going to be running it via node. We have the MCP servers, the Alexa agents, and the orchestrator. So you can run PNPM build to build the dependencies, but this is already built already. You first need to run install and build, but I've run this process, so you can just run PNPM start. You can check the doc. If it does the doc dive, pay this. Yeah. And of course, the front end PNPM start. When you get errors like this, it means it's database issue. So we can just run it again. Yeah, and that works. And of course, make sure your proof server 2 is running. So let's go to our front end at localhost 3003. I'm going to deploy this on my server, so you'll be able to launch this on server 2. If you're a new user, you can simply click on get started, create an account, but I'm going to sign in with my previous account. As simple as that, you get access to an AI bot that you can launch on Telegram or on Discord, or even interact with your interface just with your username and password on Midnight OS. Yeah, made easy. Midnight OS, we have some couple of features like bots and DAO Treasury and wallet management too. Let me walk you through the overview of creating a bot in Midnight OS. So we can call it Midnight Bot. Like I mentioned, we do have subscription coming soon. I'm gonna be shipping a lot of amazing stuff, the agents, communication and stuff. So right now it's still on in demo. You can get to configure if you want your bots to be able to do DAO governance, marketplace asset, or just wallet management. But you can configure Discord bots or your Telegram bots. So I'm gonna teach you how you do this. You have to look up bots further on Telegram, copy your token key, then you can test your token Telegram bots if you want to configure it. Yeah, of course, it gets my username. Next, review and create your bots. Voila, that easy for you to set up your bots or your custom server. And you see, we currently have our bots. You can decide if you want to start it, also pause it, and yeah, chat with your bot, of course. So this is what the chat looks like. You can come to docs/architecture, and this gives you the architecture overview, the mammy diagrams of how I was able to pull this all together. It was a lot, man, and yeah, I'm super proud building this. The way bot creation works, chat transaction flow, the database schema works _ Midnight OS. This is where I'll be dropping full details of stuff we'll be shipping very soon. Yeah, stay with it. You can also follow our organization repo, give it a star, and it's open source too. So Midnight OS, Reimagine DAO Treasury Management with AI. Midnight OS, Reimagine DAO Treasury Management. Yeah.